babe. Take me now, feel my harness, babe. Take me now, feel my harness in you.
Let us welcome your hosts, Mr. Choc Gonzalez, Tito Potato,
con los terroristas.
Hindi yayaman! Ayun na!
Palakpakan naman dyan!
Okay, to give his opening remarks, our dear President, Mr. Boots
Bute!
We just started Victory Global. Nung maliit lang siya, pero napansin namin lumaki ng lumaki. At alam namin kung anong nangyari sa amin nung una, nag-start kami ng maliit, lumaki ito. Sa ating mga kasamang nag-uumpisa ngayon sa mga distributors, kung anong mga nagawa namin ay alam namin magagawa din ninyo. Tuloy-tuloy na ang Victory Global, papanindigan namin ito, hindi kami susuko. At lahat ng programa na gagawin namin o lahat ng mga programa na gusto namin gawin, alam namin para sa inyong lahat. So, magtulungan tayo lahat dito, mabuhay ang Victory Global. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Award na to, naalay ko po sa lahat ng Hong Kong distributors. Without them, this award could not be achieved. Salamat po at maraming salamat po sa Panginoon at sa Victory Global. Sama-sama po tayo payaman.
your operations manager, speaking in behalf of my department, it is my full responsibility to ensure that our company's operations are efficient in terms of utilizing our available resources as needed and effective in terms of meeting all our customers' requirements. In other words, we are your support group. We need to fuse our minds together for us to stand in one voice, in one advocacy to succeed. Isang tinig, isang adhikain patungo sa tagumpay nating lahat. Naway pagpalain tayo ng buong may kapal. Isang mapagbuting araw sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying, you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking. I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's a climb. The struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking. Sometimes I might not get down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that
Amoy, mga Victorians! Power! Maraming salamat po!
You are the reason why andito rin ako. This is para sa atin lahat ito. Thank you so much.
Kapatid, kung nakayanan ko ang top 6, kayanin nyo ang number 5. Iba yung pakiramdam, kapatid, na nakatayo ka na dati tagapalakpak ka lang. Ngayon, isa ka na sa pinapalakpakan.
Sa 24 years ko sa Hong Kong, umuwi po ako ng for good dahil sa Victory Global. Thank you so much, Victory Global. Power!
Mabuhay, Victory Global! Yes, thank you so much, Victory Global. At saka sa lahat ng group ko, thank you so much. Mabuhay! Itong karangalan na to, iniaalay namin lahat sa aming mga kagrupo. Victims at achievers, nabuhay tayong lahat! Nagpapasalamat ako sa kanila dahil sa tiwala. Salamat. Maraming salamat.
Napakahirap po nung nag-umpisa kami dito. Marami pong tumatawa po sa akin. Marami pong tumatawa sa amin. This company is like marriage. If you want to become successful in your marriage, respect your marriage. If you want to become successful in your network, respect your network.
And tandaan nyo mga partners, maasahan nyo ang tulong at suporta namin sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.